Hello girls. Last class we have seen what are the basic economic problems. That is what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So now today the class is how the all economic system. Economic system is the system which solves the problem of this basic problem, how they are solving. So that we are going to see. First thing we see about the socialist or centrally planned economy. Planned, or we call it as a socialist. See, in this what we have to see is which all the countries are the socialist country. So example, China, North Korea, Cuba, Vietnam also is there. So these are the countries, they are following the central planned, or we call it as a socialist economy. So what is the main idea of these countries? No, first is they are not into profit maximization. They are not into profit maximization. That means what do you mean by that? No, the socialist countries first is they are not into profit maximization. That means all the basic economic activities, production, distribution, consumption, all activities are planned only by government, not by the private people. It is very decided. So they feel that social welfare can be achieved only by them. So that is why all the major decisions are taken by the government. When these people are into the government, they are not worried about the profit. They are worried about only the social welfare. That is the main idea of this socialist economy. For example, if there is a most of unemployment is there, immediately the production process, they will take only into the labor intensive. That means more of the workers, less of the capital. So like that, they will do the work. Another important in the socialist economy is planning. So they'll be into the economic planning. These two things you have to remember. First thing, they are not into profit maximization, and second is they are into the economic planning. On the economic planning means, third one what you have to remember is all decisions, major decisions is taken care by only the government. These are the 3 points you have to remember about the socialist economy. What are the example of the countries? China and North Korea. And what are the problem these countries are facing? When they are into that, like the strict, all the plannings, everything, they are into the very strict administration. Very rigid, we can say. So like that, because of that, what will happen? The supply cannot be proper. They'll have some supply problem. They have some excess production problem. Due to this, black marketing is the chances are there. This is all somehow they are managing like this only to show they are managing these countries. The next economy system what we are going to see is market economy or capitalist economy. Market or capitalist. The example of this countries, USA, Australia, Japan. These are the countries, they are following this capitalist economy. Here, which is most important is price. That is price mechanism. Here and profit. These two plays a very important role here. So all the activities, economic activities are decided by the individuals, the private individuals. How they produce and consumers, they go run behind the forces of demand and supply. For example, we call it as price mechanism. What is this price mechanism means? See, for example, more prices. What will happen? Demand will be less. Price is more, demand is less, and supply will be more. And just opposite, price is less, demand will be more, supply will be less. So based on this concept is we call it as a price mechanism. So they'll go behind this price mechanism. In this, they'll see only the profit. Their main motive is profit. So in the government action is very, very minimal. They will not interfere much into the activities. This all depends upon only the price mechanism. And because we'll see next chapter also what are the different types of goods also, as luxury goods or consumer goods like that. So which goods, everything based on this profit only. That is the main motto of this capitalist. So economic planning will not play any role here. Here only plays the very price mechanism plays a very important role. And how they'll keep the profit as a main motive, and the economy will be run behind this profit. And that because of this, they'll have some irregularities in the supply and the production. Some they cannot able to, even though they are ready to efficiently, they are ready to spend lot of resources to get the more profit. Billions of money they'll pull into the research, and you can take of the drugs and all. They're ready to spend lot of money. They'll do the research, and they'll find the solution and make the more profit. For example of nowadays you can see for all the health related, all the human existence are facing the problems. All that these people will have the solution by ready to invest money and make the profit more. That is the thing. And because of this, some they are not able to goods cannot be efficiently cannot be utilized sometimes. That is the basic problem. Other thing, there are all this what to produce, how to produce, room to produce, all solved through only through this price mechanism. This is the main idea of this market economy or capitalist economy. Next is mixed economy. That is example is India and Brazil and Sri Lanka also. You know very well what's happening in India. So here, see, we saw about the price mechanism as well as price mechanism in the capitalism and the economic planning in the socialist. This both plays a role here. In mixed economy, both plays a role. And it is an extension of both private sector as well as the public sector. And social welfare also taken into care, profit motive also taken into care. So both are there, that's here. That is why this what is the main motive is here, the price mechanism as well as economic planning, both play a role in the all the production of the activity, all economic activities, all production, distribution, consumption, exchange with the help of these two things. That is price mechanism and the economic planning. And what is the main here? For example, suppose the government here, the dual pricing system also is there. What is the dual pricing system means? For example, you can see the LPG cylinder. For the common people, what is the price? And for the commercial purpose, what is the price? So like this and all is there. How the government, they'll try to solve their how to produce, what to produce, whom to produce problem by making this. For example, you can say, suppose the government wants to discourage some production. What the government is doing? Increasing the taxes. Suppose the government wants to encourage the production. What is the government is doing? Giving subsidies. So like this way the government will see that the social welfare also be achieved. And at the same time, the profit, some activities will be achieved by the profit. Very simple one, what is happening in the Indian economy. These are the three economies, how they are solving the problems. So these are all basic thing only I have told. So very few points only I have told. So try to understand. I told already after completing this chapter, one day we'll meet, because Google Meet more than 100 we can't meet. So one day separately, SEBA, separate I will meet and we'll see what all the problem is there, we'll try to solve. And another I told very importantly, for each video, you have to put the attendance. Only 36 and some videos 76 are there. So total each classes, you need not to mention full first EBA, second EBA, nothing, I don't know. Your name, EBA. Your name, A section, so your name and B section, like that, HGPS. Separately, I want all the thing. And our assignment should be given to the college, or if there is suppose you are in the red zone, you are not able to come to college, either in the, I give you my email ID, you send it to the email ID, or in the WhatsApp, my personal WhatsApp number, you can send the assignment, because I have to allot the marks for the 10 marks I told I have to allot it. So like that you go. So today's video only this much. Every day I will be posting on video. You keep giving the attendance every day, so that I know how many them attendance. Because attendance, you know very well when you're writing the final examination, don't think that it is lockdown, so we can sit at home and we can enjoy. You enjoy at the same time. Online classes, we as for thing, when it started June, it started. So we are taking the attendance. So it's very important. Attendance is not there. Again, shortage of attendance problem will arise for you. So please, if you see the video and put attendance, and we'll see what to do. I'll tell you next class. I want to tell one more thing. You please subscribe the channel. Why I'm telling you, I'm not going to give the link in the WhatsApp group. Once you subscribe, automatically notification will come to your phone, then you can check the thing. So tomorrow, don't say that, ma'am, I didn't get the link at all. I'm not going to send the link at all. You have to subscribe the channel. So this year we'll do like that. Afterwards, you can come out from the channel. Not that you have to subscribe permanently, only for this 1 or 2 months only. So please subscribe the channel and see the everyday's notification, and you have to do the work, complete the notes. And whatever I'm doing the work, you have to write the test also already. I told in the previous video. Please do that one. Thank you.